So next you're going to learn about attributes of font. So already we have learned attribute. Attribute means it is going to give some extra additional information to a particular tag. So first one, font size. So you can set the size of your font with size attribute. So the range of the font size varies between 1 to 7 and the default size is 3. So if you want to specify font size, you have to give font size is equal to. And then font face. Font styles displayed in the browser can be changed using face attribute. It has a value which has included font name enclosed within double quotes. If the specified font is not installed in the system, then by default Times New Roman will be assumed. In using MS Word, you have set the font. Yes, you know Arial Black, Times New Roman, Verdana, and lot of fonts are there. So if you want to specify a font face, you have to specify within the double quotes. If your system does not have your font that you are expecting, so by default it will be taken as Times New Roman. So next one, font color. You can set any font color to your text using color attribute. The text color can be specified using color name or hexadecimal code. As we have seen already how to set font color, you can specify either color or you can use hexadecimal color code. And see here example. As usual, first line will be your HTML tag, second line head, third line title, and the name of your title is font, and then slash title slash head. Font face is equal to Verdana, size is equal to 5, color is equal to red. So what is the font face given? Verdana. According to that style your text will be displayed. Size is 5 and color is red. And then 1994 first online newspaper, and then BR tag stands for break. If you want to display your line one by one, you are going to use the tag called BR. Then font face is equal to monotype cursive, size is 7, color blue. 1994 first internet cafe opens. Font slash font. You have opened font tag, you have to close it by putting / font. Then slash body slash HTML. So here you can see the output. Name of your title is font. It is displayed here. And then 1994, the first line will be displayed in the size 5 and the font name is Verdana. And the text color, it was in red. And then the second line, 1994 first internet cafe opens, it was displayed using monotype cursive font, and then size it was 7, and then color, the text color was blue. So these are the 3 font attributes. Okay, so today you have learned horizontal tag and then marquee tag, and then you have learned font attributes also. So children, try different examples. Lot of example HTML programs are given in this lesson. So if you have system at your home, you can start trying your HTML programs. And then this week you are going to write a online test for computer science, lesson number 2. So attend that online test. Children, this is all about your third chapter. In this chapter you have learned line break, and what is the tag for line break? We have used BR tag. And formatting tags you have learned bold, italic, underline, and then you have learned small tag, big tag with an example. And then heading tag, paragraph tag, P tag, and then heading 6 types of heading tags H1 to H6. And then today you have learned horizontal tag, HR tag, and then attributes, different types of font colors, everything you have seen. And then marquee tag, it is a kind of scrolling your text. And then finally you have learned attributes of font. In that you have learned font, how to set font face, how to set font color, everything. So this is an overview about your third chapter.